Hi, Doctor. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Terrance, and I'm currently the Business Development Manager for Topcon Healthcare Solutions covering Asia Pacific region. Now, it's very unfortunate that I couldn't be on site to meet all of you, but I'm glad to be given this opportunity to present you today how can Harmony, as a next-generation patient data management and image analysis platform, can help you in your daily clinical practice. Historically, medical professionals have used paper charts to manage patient exam information. Some even spend more time in front of screens, juggling many windows at a time. topconharmony changes this and is one of the solutions that we provide which enables data management with the vision to achieve unlimited connectivity. So, Harmony was designed based on 4 different cornerstones. First of all, it was built with an approach to bring all clinical data into one cloud-based solution, therefore providing the data management capabilities on the vendor-neutral basis. Second cornerstone being the platform enabling communication between different eye care providers, between ophthalmology and optometry, or between 2 colleagues from different areas consulting each other. With the communication platform, second opinion consultation can be done in a safe and secure manner. With Harmony, it can simplify the workflow of the clinic, which will enhance the quality of an organization to provide a better patient care. Harmony is customized and tailored to the needs of each organization providing eye care. The main point being, we can connect all different devices on the vendor-neutral basis regardless of manufacturer, brand, and model. Different AI tools can be integrated into Harmony, which will help in important decision-making that needs to be taken upon seeing the patient data. The data will be stored in a safe and secure cloud, and you will have the ability to access and view the patient data in a real-time manner, so you can access all your data from any place at any time. So, how does the workflow look like? Patient enters the clinic and is registered to the clinic EMR system. Harmony will then retrieve the patient data and automatically creates a work list which then distributes to the instruments. Your technician will choose the right patient from the work list, perform the examination, and data is automatically transferred to Harmony with the options to perform AI-based image analysis before you review the exam in real time and the cycle continues. With Harmony, you can make safe and confident decisions because examination data is presented in a supportive way. By having a complete paperless workflow, it reduces time for error correction as there is no longer any need to key in data on every instrument and to manage misfiled data. Imagine the potential massive cost savings for printing the report, archiving space, and waiting time for printouts. Harmony will be able to reduce data management complexity as all data of the instruments is instantly available in one place. This saves time, reduces error, and relieves your team pressure. By improving patient understanding, more time for your patients allows you to maintain a high quality of care. Display of patient history as well as visualization of disease progression and treatment success create trust among patients. I strongly believe state-of-the-art data management tool will contribute to high reputation of your clinic. Let me show you a preview of how Harmony looks like. When you open up the patient folder, you'll be able to have a glance of a list of examinations done. The historical comparison feature lets you quickly compare the current exam to the prior exam. With the 2 exams side by side, you can review the progression of the disease more efficiently. You can also select each image and bring up your multi-modality comparison view like this to have a better understanding of the patient's condition. The next transformation in ophthalmology is the application of artificial intelligence in diagnosing and treating disease in clinical practice. We have collaboration with leading AI companies in the region to offer this advanced technology whereby the integrated AI analysis tool will provide you a quick and accurate support, allowing you to make treatment decisions with confidence. Here, I would like to show you an example of how our integrated AI can help you to screen for glaucoma suspect patients. First, select 4 fundus images in the region of optic disc and central macula. Press the AI tool button. Analysis will take less than 20 seconds depending on the network speed, and report will be shown after the analysis is done. Artificial intelligence tool can help to reduce the time and cost of training for optometrists or non-ophthalmologists to read retina images and increase patients' understanding on the necessity of advanced treatment by evidence. As a summary, digitalization presents many opportunities to improve treatment outcomes and increase efficiency of clinical workflow by allowing you to build a fully connected practice for true efficiency gains. With Harmony, our goal is to provide you with advanced solutions to help you care for your patients in the best possible way. If you would like to make your clinic more efficient and connected, please feel free to approach any of our friendly colleagues from TOPS Indo to discover the next generation in image analysis with Harmony System. Terima kasih.